Welcome to the Culture Convo Podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
What up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? You know who it is. There's one Jxck by different versions, and the present Bangwan is the time. It's Jxck. And welcome back to another episode of Culture Convo Podcast. You're always here with a guest is the top of the tier. Do you get me? And yes, I'm always with that somebody.
Hi guys, hey guys. It's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honey bee with the sweetest news. I am sweeter than honey itself. And yeah, we are always sponsored by Baza Photography, Privileged Lifestyle, Kaya Kulu Forum House, Nature Plan, Water, Mxotwa Residence, Istebe Senjoli, and more. Thank you to all our sponsors.
Thank God, thank you so. And we have one of the most influential people up at Timbaza.
Yes.
Some of the people we call Omama Betu.
Yes.
Leaders, our community builders.
Yeah.
We have the Dinero Matroko.
Maleni. Good, thanks guys.
It's right now. At least I feel like this is the intro.
No, yeah. No,
at least.
Nambe nkona ndifuna ukwenza la nto yenza le honey bee. The fabulous tea.
Yes.
Yo ayike okasayibaweni.
Next time,
don't worry.
Definitely.
Next time, Sikala ube ne rap.
Yo, be prepared.
Please. Mumbore abothuse.
Otherwise, can you please tell us Guti? I know Guti, I've already announced you Guti Ungbani, but can you please describe yourself Guti Ungbani wakobano? What do you do? And yes.
Okay. Mna ndingodineo nambita matroko.
Oh.
I'm a mother, but first of all, I'm a daughter.
Yes.
Ndihlala Timbaza. I was bred and buttered at Timbaza, but not born.
Okay.
Up at Timbaza. So ndikhulela Timbaza. Ndafunda primary yama Timbaza. Did my high school at Breibach. And then I went on to further my studies at Pretoria at Tshwane University of Technology, where I did human resource. But I decided, no, that's not me. You dead. I can't.
It can't be stuck in a 9 to 5.
So I
Obviously.
moved. Yeah, so I moved. And then I versatile broadcasting, where I got to study ukuthetha. One of my bosses usually says, "Molweni mandaba fundele ulwimi." So I went to study versatile broadcasting, but because siphuma kumakhaya ngamakhaya, I had to put it on hold in the umsebenzi. So I worked as a communicator where I write articles, I do media invite, I cover events, a lot of communication stuff for the office of the MEC kwa education. So I'm support staff for the office ka MEC or MEC Fundilekate now. So I've been doing that for the past 15 years. Yeah. So I'm passionate kakhulu nge education, hence the Career Expo, the Grade 12 workshop. Yeah. So that's Dineo. Besides that, I would like to say ndiyi businesswoman ekhulayo. Yeah, even though there are hiccups on the way. I have a Carwash. And we wash cars, we wash carpets, we wash sneakers. Kune sneakers, about 5 pairs in my boot that we must wash. So yeah, Utineo is a hustler. Utineo ngumuntu othanda abantu, ngumuntu ondwebileyo, ngumuntu omntu wonke, ngumuntu ofikelelekayo, ngumuntu othanda umculo. Yeah.
Kutheni ngathi nje ungena kule mibuzo yami ungathi ngasephendula
Oh sorry buza olweni.
What are we doing here?
I feel like but it's fine.
Masinikeni platform.
Thank you.
Senze orange couch lendo. Azithethe ngokwakhe.
Sibuyumva. Asithethe sibuza siphendule.
You know?
You play many club broadcasting Yamland.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Always.
Yeah, when they're about somehow, somewhere we are alike. But when I hear versatile broadcasting, that's something I don't even know. But and so ichazeka mandi. But xa ufuna uyenza mhlawumbe for our viewers out there, like xa usithi wena uyi-versatile broadcaster, what do you actually mean, and what qualifications or what studies do you actually need to do to actually be in that career field? Yeah.
Okay. Communication. Versatile broadcasting is an entry to journalism.
Yes.
And communications as a as a qualification.
Okay.
English as your language and your mother tongue, because ngoku sinazo, we've got what,
Newspapers.
13
Well,
we've got 13 languages in South Africa. Yes, sign language,
including sign language.
Yes,
and Khoisan.
yeah. So language yakho you need to pass ibentle, like for any other thingy, for any other qualification that you are applying for.
Yes.
Like a course. And then you must be able to write, ukwazi ubhala. Everything else they teach you there, chichanja maqhosha phayana, mbona phaya studio where they teach maqhosha. Yeah, that's what you do, and you read the news. So you
up to date.
And you must be up to date with your current affairs.
I always preach that, but
Yes.
guys, indaba.
Yeah.
Like indaba.
Yeah.
Masiziyekeni ezizika Facebook, Paktimbaza News. Ewe nazo zindaba, but like also current affairs. Twitter also has like indaba, Facebook, indaba guys, like it's like
Yes. For me, seeing that I did radio, ndizithanda kakhulu as a radio because they are shorter, 5 minutes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
my listening span,
Not
yes.
as a 30 minutes.
It's a TV, yes, better. So basically a language, and be able to write and be able to articulate yourself and be up to date with your current affairs. And it's basically 1 year. Ungayenza ewusu if awufuna ePretoria. Yeah. Ewusu, yes. Call Pablo.
Yeah.
Call Pablo.
Kamando ayitshilo nathi namntana ufuna uncedo applying phaya.
Yeah.
DMs zakhe is always open.
Yeah.
Sharp guys.
So
Jxck.
So you did mention something about uthanda komculo. And I did see you play me house on your profile. On your profile. Tell me about that event. Usually, because I do believe you attend some of them.
I think I attended 2 or 3.
Okay.
I attended those because I'm supporting uBlack
Yes.
as a Dimbaza with DJ, and ngumhlobo wam, he helps me most times with my events.
Yeah.
And I support Uviani as well, kulafo. And what I try and do kamaxesha amaninzi is to support abantwana baseDimbaza. So I attended because DJ Vandal was playing.
Yes.
The other time. Even yona right. Kuba mnandi, they should bring it to Dimbaza. Ngoba baye kuhlala ezwelitsha. Akhe baze nangapha. Where sinaso space eDimbaza. Even right, with any event ke bakhona hiccups and glitches yabona, and ke mina ke as umuntu we-events I would see ba into ethile
short,
but abanye abantu abazoyibona because abayo part of the where your logistics, but me being a person who does events and ke ngoku nasemsebenzini I'm always attending events, so I would Asanda, why don't you? Asanda is black.
Yes.
Asanda, why ungake wenze so? Here's this and that. But I'm hoping they will take my advice one day. Got okay. Out of 10, I would give them a 7.
Okay.
And please say on emphasis on the Dimbaza.
Please.
There's nothing to do here. There's nothing nice. Nathi siyazifunda is nice. Asinamalokhwele.
Speaking about DJ Vandal, I did see him I think no DJ Black Ivory on one of the Carwash weekends. Can you take us back to those Carwash weekends? What
The Carwash weekends.
Yeah, what is the Carwash weekend? Hey. Yeah, what is that, guys?
What was happening?
So, I think three years back, or was it 4?
I think it was 2022.
Yes.
So it's
I had this idea. I wanted a side hustle. I wanted to make extra cash. Develop and so I'm always of the idea that you turn your passion into your career.
Yeah.
So I saw a gap. A zone. At the time, it was the zone.
Yes.
A lounge. Akuko Carwash. Akuko Kutya. I approached Sebonga Kalipa, my friend, Neombasa as the owners. Guys, ngicela uvule Carwash up. That way, you're gonna have more customers. And please let me cook the thing is ukutya. And they happily accepted the idea. Like, I come through. Izokwenza into yakho. So we launched a massive launch. The glitches in the event.
Yes. You know it's big.
We launched the launch was supposed to be on a Saturday, but the launch weekend yonke. Yeah, so we came with Umeda. We came with Unjebo, who up his street went somewhere. This the other street. Because most of the time Kwachu. Most of the time he's in East London. Upunjebo na he's a car mechanic who specializes on fixing pens. But he was a DJ in his days. So we brought all my friends who are DJs. Come through, guys. And luckily the weather was on our side. Yes, so we called it Carwash weekends because during the week we're busy with our formal jobs. The weekend sibe busy ngeside had still yokuhlamba imoto. Yes.
Okay.
Something different.
Yeah, guys. I think we need those weekends
back.
Yes.
Okay. Livile.
Nobody's space, guys.
Now, honestly, I wanna ask you, if. Like, do you have any advice since that you say you are a growing businesswoman? I don't know if I put it right, but a businesswoman is a kulai. That we are trying but what advice can you give us usomeleza that these glitches might have a negative impact like how we started beauty pageants but sabona back okay there's glitches and ziyathetisa khathe sithi wo yebo focus on something else. What advice would you have for us and other young people who will be watching this episode about fire, but there are glitches they here and there that force them to okay, I don't want to be backed into a corner but okay, you don't want to stop, but you are backed into a corner, as I say. What advice would you give us?
Sikhona isixhosa esithi iphupha lomntu alifi esaphila. So as long as you are on this earth and you are alive, you keep pushing. I always say to my friends, xa uziva ulahlekelwa lelathemba, ne? Thukane lathemba uxela ba maliphakame because we have nothing else ngaphandle kwalo. Yeah, there are times where you feel like giving up. It's okay to give up for a minute, but the next minute phakama. Because if I was phakameli wena, if andikuboni wena Jxck but you want this and so I want to help you get this, if you're not convincing me, then ndizakunceda njani? That's what I saw. Bakhona abantu to help us out there, but funeka wena, you must push yourself. Uyithathe yonke noba uweka ngakanani na, you will fall every time usenza into, but you must make sure that the most important thing for you to do is to get up. Ayikhathalisanga noba uweka ngaphi na, but make sure you get up. And if you feel that awukho motivated to do this, mna ndiyakuthanda nokubukela ezam films zama-China.
Sange.
Or
Sange.
ndiyahlala ndibukele eza films zama-China. Sometimes I read novels. I don't like reading serious stuff because the world is too serious. So, like it's my escape, guys. I like do something that is gonna give you a break from everything that is demotivating you. Like something far different from what you're doing. Something that's not gonna yes. Yeah. Or find someone ichomi nazo ziyadina yo nefamily ayiboni lento mna yabo. Just find someone enokumotivate her to get up and have a reason to do what you want, because we can.
Guys.
And also touching base on Lennon's discussion of Bianca about Ukafa and stuff. When I've heard abantu that are complaining with the attendance with shows zabo. So how does that make you feel? You host
such
in
things.
You expect
In numbers.
Because I think I remember, if I'm allowed to say this, Sika Career Expo.
You are allowed.
Yes, Sika Career Expo. So man, how do you deal with that?
Hey, it was disappointing, Jxck. It was disappointing to do something for abantu and all they have to do is show up.
They're not getting. You're not paying.
And
You're not paying, guys,
with their questions. And I think abantu don't understand the work that you put into something for bona. But there are people around you who will get that you are passionate about this and you want it. Because I had to go around and do finish sponsors. Stop writing the song. Hey Bianca, can't it be 200 ndifuna uthenga ipoloni iyashota. Hayibo thulethu ndicela wethu wenza iplata for my guests. These people are coming from not even from Timbaza. They use the petrol lab. I'm like, I don't have any money for you guys. I'm not going to pay you. You just need to show up and speak to these kids. Ndicela ninxibe nezanto zenu zika som. And then people don't show up. Like, njani. And it's even worse when abantu abadala who are not supporting you. Because I expected parents to be there as well. To show that hayi sayifuna lento for abantwana bethu. Hayi ke kuske kufika umzalo eyi-1. Njani. Uyayibona? But ke ngokukho abantu that are around me who be like, "Hi man, bazayifumana." For instance, on the first day of the Career Expo, our counselor, was like, "Now I see it. We need to plan for next year." I already have an idea for next year. Don't worry. My concept document is ready. It's like, no, we need to sit them down by Bonnie or principal. We need to have a meeting. So when someone sees the vision that you have, so that's what keeps me going. That's why I decided to do the grade 12 workshop. Putikayakulu. Banana. I call him Banana, sorry. Banana. And you will always remain Banana. He was like, these kids, they need more info. Abanayo. You need to do something else. You need to get them together. So I said, in my disappointment, I was like, in fact, in sciences, in fact, Banana must be apply abandon. Hack free start. And the number that I lowered my expectations. So I expected 50 and 60 came. I'm like,
Great
for you. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, you did. Next, I had a friend ask you a question. Like Oti, what motivated you to host a career expo in our community, and what do you hope these attendees or those attendees take away from your events?
Okay, the Career Expo, ndahlala ndajonga Pitimaza njengosisi ohamba ebusuku. Hey, ndafumanisa into yobana abantwana bethu, because I am a mother as well, to a 26-year-old and a 8-year-old. Ndafumanisa uba abantwana are excited about alcohol and drugs. I was here shop, ndihlala ngase shop, phaya esitratweni sam. before they go to school apha ngezantsi baqala bayotshaya pha badla hayibo okay edimbaza abazemva kwam abasahoyanga nto abahoyanga demotivated. And I asked myself, so inoba abantwana xa bephuma esikolweni bazophuma nabo babe lento because hey, there's lots of crime here. Baninzi amaphara edimbaza bayatshaya abantwana baleqe pens down. If uyabona edimbaza xa kuvalwe izikolo, go to taverns and you will see the reality yabantwana bethu abafundayo. They are all about that. And I did not want that for abantwana balapha. It's not a nice picture to see. As umuntu okhule apha, and I'm looking at ontanga bam naba bazemva kwam kancinci bafana nobanana, but we made it. And ke ngoku sikhona thina ke silapha edimbaza. So what can I do to make sure ba abantwana they are excited about education? The way endibona ngayo xa ndisiya kula macala, the former Transkei, ba abantwana bapha bayafunda and they get awards. If you go to your NSC awards in January, ziskopishwa ngabantwana ba the former Transkei. So ndiqonda, what can we do to get abantwana balapha babe excited? And ndafumanisa uba i-career expos asenziwa. I've never heard of one up at Timbaza. Okay, let's do that. Who do I invite to this? But we need people balapha eDimbaza abafundileyo abathesiswe izidanga so that babone babezi role models ebantwaneni basemakhaya nabethu ba. In actual fact uDr Ziyanda Mphethile ngoba lapha ePola Park isipholana soloko qhuma isibhampa, but hey,
but kukho
we've got a doctor. Uyabona, hey kukho ubhuti apha we-IT. Technology changes every day. Uyayibona, but here he is and versatile. Naqala uyathunga wenza designs sayibo usifotela amaqhayiqa. So let me bring these people abantwana babone ba lento ayenziwa ngabantu abababona eTVini, abababona emculweni, uyabona eReadway and all that. Iyakwazi ukwenzeka ngokulapha eDimbaza. So that's how I started it.
Guys, iskolo. But that was the point. Iskolo, guys. Iskolo. You just need iskolo.
But yes,
no, you can ask me a question. If I don't booze.
Okay. Last week we did discuss the thing with education, and see, we are still young. And we have our disappointment when it comes to education system, and also we have advantages, of course. Now we're discussing the matter of how the education is changing. I feel like I even said last week. I feel like today's education for primary kids and also high school in our black community or in the public schools is changing. Is becoming weak in terms of they're giving kids too much rights, whereby the kids can do whatever they want to do in the middle of the class. Because when I grew up, because the school zabantu bamnyama, I feel like that's it's one of the things that influence abantwana bangoku mabangakhathali mabangati. How do you feel about that? Since you're in the educational platform.
Didn't beg on the spot. But it's fine. No, it's okay. Listen, there's a clash when it comes to a constitutional right and when it comes to the classroom and when it comes to social rights in social living and circumstances that we are in. There's a clash there as akudibani. And so they need to speak the same language. As my MEC would say, into ethethwa higher education must be the same thing ethethwa basic education. Because you get to my sense because I'm passionate about education and in the bar. Ufans bana points zongena evarsity and not the points esinazothina high school and primary. Ezaphazi high is the 2 seasons as 13 doing again. They can't access ke ngoku evarsity. Uyabona? Iphindi bekhona into ethi kum abazali of these days are too lax. Ababethi abadiscipline endlini, they expect otishara babe ngabazali. Abazali bezinsuku boyisiwe ngabantwana babo, and then you get that behavior, the outburst, landlela yokungakwazi ukuqeqesheka kwabo esikolweni. Ufike babenye into, and then ke ngutishara akakwazi umbetha because uzoluza umsebenzi wakhe.
Yes.
Yabo. But abazali bethu, they expect into bana, well, thina bazali, I forget that I'm a parent sometimes.
Yes.
Thina bazali, we expect otishara esikolweni to be parents to our kids. So that's why I'm saying there's a clash.
Yeah.
Ayithethe into yenye. Uyayibona? Abazali bethu, they thina bazali. Thina bazali, I'm trying to get used to it. Thina bazali, we need to pull up our socks. And be involved in education yabantwana. That's why I said I was disappointed not seeing abazali. I even said on Timbaza News, Kanti Benipi, when I was doing this for your kids. I was not doing it for me. I was doing it for your kids. Benipi nina. And bakhona abazali abaphangeli bahleli. They were supposed to make time. So abazali, they need to make time. Yapha esikolweni uyobufuna ibehavior yomntanakho. Baka mxakanga notishara angathi xa expelwa kube ngona wothukayo uhamba ukhayela udine ku Facebook makakuncede umntanakho uyaxothwa esikolweni kanti khange ujonge noba ezancwadi zibhali wena.
No.
Yes.
And I want to add that on top of Nandwitetayosis, Glendaba clash. We actually discussed about Glendaba City Chomi about like teachers get to experience yabantwana basileyo. Sacho, I think bingo asi also wati abantwana are two-faced. In terms of ba endlini he or she is a sweet gonyana. Yeah, but like Bianca could never do that, right? Because ulinda ukhona uzanithethele. But ileno ndithi mina, I had a parent who that would embarrass you. Akubethe phambi principal because uzawuthi andiqeqeshe enough endlini yoniveza pha ba kutheni yabo. I had a parent with a backbone. Bengandoyiki and benibonisa uba ungumzali. But there's parents out there who don't really care. And there's parents who don't care. There's parents who want to be friends with their kids. But no, I'm the cool parent. Yeah, but umntanam uyathetha nami ufuna lani ba umntana akathethe naye. Whereas there's a difference between being your friend and being a parent, and then kukho that discipline, that thin line called discipline. Abantwana don't know it discipline because abanye abazali kuba bangakhathaliyo abazali benza anything phambi kwabantwana, and then abantwana emulate the same behavior as umzali. But ke ngoku emulate P mhlawumbe emulate abendlini napha esikolweni ke. Now you have you Mr. Brukwe uxakene no songezo ndim also ligama lami usongezo ondim andifuna ngathi igama lomuntu kayitheni no uxakene no songezo ke ngoku ogezayo otheni na, you know. Now that's where the rights Jxck khalaza ngaba, the rights of teachers now are being taken away and zinikwa abantwana, whereas abantwana ke abuse said rights abazinikwayo because you find out you can't hit a child ngoku of which thina besibethwa and besingakhalazi ubungena choice usesikolweni. Like usesikolweni you don't have a choice. Abashawutwa, you don't use your teacher's voice. There's a thing called a teacher's voice where you exert control without but hey, so as you can't use such things. And there's a video on TikTok where there were teachers lined up and they had tapes on their mouths and a paper saying, I'm not a doormat, I'm not your child's and don't. They were like, I think that's a cry of Atisharaba asifuni babetha, but besibetha thina senza njani, because you find that abantwana bayadubula, bayahlaba, bayabetha, bayathuka. Kama besenza ijoke ngala mntana besithi wayechayile esikolweni kwabuza ba mama uyayazi buchayile wathi uyayazi, like sidila njani ke ngoku sizitishara uyitishara, whereas Kukho lo mthetho ngoku ukhoyo uthi you can't hit a child.
It's unfortunate for Tishara that nyani ke they don't have amandla awangako against such things. This is why kusitwa this is why education isebenzisana kakhulu nezinye i-sister departments. This is why they encourage amapolisa a-adopte izikolo. Uyabo? Mission and vision yakho education yansho. Education is a societal matter. Uyabo? It is not only up to the teachers. It's up to us sonke. This is why I decided to do the expo, so that abantwana bakhe bavuleke ingqondo bas. When unayi base ye education ezinye izinto nendlela ocinga ngayo is different. So these kids need to take education seriously, and that's why they're passionate kakhulu when it comes to that. Because when you ukhe wadibana nabanye abantu futhi bayivarsity napha college nendlela ocinga yakhe yatshintsha, because what is this bendiyenza lanto nalento. We're not saying abantwana mabangakhuli and experience things, but abazali, they need to be involved in their kids' day-to-day
activities.
Yes.
And I want to advocate for the expos as a person who was there, who was not even in grade 12. I'm not in grade 12, guys. Dimdala for grade 12. This college. For me, it was also helpful for me at college level. So it's not only for a grade 12 career expo. Okay, there's carriers. There was a phrase that there's carriers, the zomoya, zomhlaba, namanzi, and earth. You know? So now I'm just doing a business, man. They're posting sense business, man. There's a financial management guys. They're balam, but and bonus bar. No, beyond ukubala. Khona into noyenza pha kule ndawo yamanzi okanye into ntono. And I'm not only stuck endaweni eyi-1. Yebo.
You can do it on air.
Mhlawumbe ndizawubala phaya. You know? Bale nje aircraft ba iwingi imalini pilot. Okay, petrol yakho inga ngoku, you know? So yeah, I can advocate that these guys are really helpful for anyone and anyone. Yeah, but if we are funda, you're keen to learn, you have a hunger for knowledge, I suggest you go. It's very fulfilling. It's not a wasted pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No,
yeah.
Safunda.
I always say I just need to have like a male host up, because I feel like every time that overpower. That one I got on not you up as in his jail as a guy. No, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, man. Yes. But on the lighter side, because they're going to be serious. Because I want to enjoy education, it needs you to be serious. Uniform. Okay.
Imagine looking on a time.
Yes.
You will be blazer.
But yeah, I just want. I saw good to you once. Went on an interview at 3FM. Tell me about that.
I'm going to stuff.
Okay.
Celebrate. Please. Yeah. The interview. It was telephonical.
Yeah.
Because it was moved to PE. It's
been
years. It's been years.
Like
it's TBN. TBN was a month. No, I think they're still maintaining the building for Klabe Kwelcala. But okay. It was moved to PE. Yes, so it was telephonical. I was never so cell. That record my young one. They listened on good DSTV by record, and so ban to me like so in the moment I should have answered like this.
Yeah.
But ndiyavuya because people got to know about it and they knew Klabe poster because they did a poster for me. I was like, Utino serious ngalento. Utino is gonna do this, hey, with or without, because I did it without education. I sent my MEC the post. I'm like, Yes.
Dimlo.
So yeah, but ibimnandi. And I'm next year ngaske dilinde nani pa. Nibe negumbi lenu pa. Interview abantu.
Yeah.
Manifestation from your mouth to God's
Yes,
ears.
thank you so much. Amen. Yeah. So I'm hoping next year it will be bigger.
Definitely.
But hey, I was nervous this time around. Interview. I usually do the interviews, but hey, click him on the spotlight.
And the Ucho not check.
Last week, I'm always the one asking you quick questions.
The tables have turned. You have to answer now. And
Yeah.
Yeah, because I do remember.
I
do remember.
It's the energies, you know.
Sorry.
The higher is a the main host. But it's fine, man. I feel like they're good versus because I've been to interviews, I'm sure. Yeah, I did like roads music radio. So yes, at least. Thank you.
Thank you. So Bino City so itu ababangekayi ku-interviews e-radio nento ingathi siyalibazisa. Yes, I've been told that I have a voice for radio.
Okay. But
ayawatya kamazwi ngamxole.
Ndifuna ukubuza ke ngokuba you have into ethiwa ilwa nezolo lakho.
Yes.
Is it where you wanted it to be okanye there's still more?
Masiqale apho mna ndiyazi what is ilwa nezolo lakho.
Over to you. So.
Masiqale apho senzele nawo bangamlandeli guys. Lost apho ndiyalahlwa. Abangayaziyo bazawumamela nami enkosi.
What's with the difficult questions?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's my nature.
Ilwa nezolo lakho.
Yeah.
What is that?
So when I was thinking of doing the expo, yes, ndahlala ndazibuza uba, why am I doing the expo? Besides wanting kids to be in school, bafunde bathini, but ekugqibeleni, what is the end point for this? What is my joy? When will I be happy? Ndithi yabona ngoku ndi-achievile. I got what I wanted when I started this. So I said, and I thought, man, ndi-browser through Facebook. Kukho usisicwayi ka forever.
Oh yeah, I know her. Babe song.
So I ended to ilwa. And when I went through her page, because I'm not even following her, so I went through her page. She went through so much before she made it in products, those things like sokola and ingenamali, and she's got kids special needs. Yeah. And besides abantu ke uyayazi social media, people can be brutal, bamthuke bathini, but she's always saying ilwa. Like she's maintaining the fact that I am not going back to what
I used to have.
Yeah, I'm not going back to what I was, and I'm not losing what I have.
Okay.
So ndathi man, ndifuna abantwana balwe nezolo labo. They must fight and fight and fight, even if they have no strength, baphinde baphakame and just fight. So that ngomso babe yile nto umuntu afuna uba yiyo. I said nakla interview the last time. So ilwa nezolo lakho and be something that people thought you would never be. Be somewhere uthi nawe xa ubheka uqombe ndilwile izolo. You cannot, you if uyafuna awuzuba yi-circumstance yakho, awuzuba yilanto ubuyiyo izolo. So you are fighting your yesterday to be a better person today and tomorrow. That is when I will be happy. When someone says to me, Sisi, I was there and you helped, and look at me now.
Yeah.
Ndiyazi ba ulwile.
Yeah.
Yes. That is Ilwana Zololako.
Yeah.
And your question, Mr. Jxck?
Yeah.
Mr. Kashinako, because she was asking,
So my question was, is it where you wanted it to be, or can there's still more?
You know, son.
Yeah, for me.
Dialwa.
Yeah.
If you remember, I wanted to do a Facebook page, an official page, so that people don't
see the need to inbox
bombard my profile.
To
be free to say whatever I want in my personal profile and joke with my people. They can ask questions la page. I wanted to Ayiko a page. I have not done it. I wanted a professional site online.
Okay.
I wanted to register either in is it an NPO, NGO?
NPO.
Yes, because in my head there are too many ideas. The Expo that I want to do is iminyaka. So I need this to be legit. I need to have an NPO so that huge companies take me serious. And see this the way I said.
But show me, do you realize that everything all your tells guys is Lula?
I know.
Selula.
The thing is time.
Okay.
Yeah. Another thing that I preach all the time and I fail to implement.
And you'd need to have a whole...
I need to have a team.
A team for you to not feel overwhelmed, because it's overwhelmed ile page.
Ndiye kuyuza ichomi zam because ndiyaziyuza ichomi zam for this. Guys, ndiyaziyuza ichomi zam for nina etimbaza, and they're not even from here. Appreciate that, please.
Yeah.
Hey, ndiyaziyuza ichomi zam, so I need to have a team as well.
Yeah, to manage your page, the website. I think the only thing you can do yourself and ibene doya koyonge is the registration of the NPO. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, B. Even online.
Thank you, B. Thank you, B. No, the thing is time. It's something that I always preach now.
Time management.
Time wasted never returns. Abaxoki shame. Babengaxoki tu. Because you will cry and regret. Sudlala ngalo.
Yeah.
Ndiyayibona ngoku but unfortunately I lost my laptop with everything. So I'm like, and I need to find funding.
Okay.
Next year, because
it's a whole lot more coming.
I cannot reveal bazayi by
idea keep it close to your heart.
That's all I can say.
Yeah. Sponsors.
Guys.
Please. Please.
20 rand can go a long way. No, I did 20 rand.
Per se, but
20,000 country.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Yeah, good deal or no deal. You'd be a fun character there. I don't want to lie. Yeah. And I saw the South African sweetheart. Wasn't it to Kaylee Kandripa? That was very nice.
I hardly watched
as
TV.
A fan of the show.
So can they junk?
Please. You'd be a very fun. Outside of the box question, did you find the dog?
No.
Oh, hi guys. You are eating Baza. I told you. I do follow her.
No.
Umdana wa Palestine.
Put Anel. Ujan Emanibek, where we bought the dog that they took, was kind enough. Wampa elinye njonjo. So Blakey is this big now and very naughty. Okay. Chases around. We are select and not dependent. Yeah. So we are still happy, but there are days where she will cry and want her Rocky.
Okay.
Abe uroki.
Okay.
Yeah, it's guys ngaphinde nibize nje umntanami. Yo ukhala kabuhlungu when she please stop it.
You know, guys. Why posted ulahlekelwe yinja? So I had to ask, but I did not see the follow up. But where's the dog?
Nothing.
What happened? Because now I've lost my. Did she? Because knows my mom. Did she find a dog? And yes, can't pin a jog and I was unpinning him.
Sang has been as if man in Dalango wherever it is.
Apiko if it's still alive. Also, that may be the fact.
Yeah.
Mr. Jxck.
Okay, so
That was like overwhelmed.
Konja, you are still here. Ted.
I'm an abuser. A guy and Gakala.
Imagine if Kusino was here.
Just imagine.
You'd be.
Because of Bako.
I was out saying you.
Gondi lab.
Oh,
Imagine.
yini.
But yes, I want to ask about the partnership we are with Izibusiso Socials. Is it Busiso Social? Let me check it. Solutions.
Confirm, please.
Izibusiso Solutions.
What's that?
Yo.
I'm joking.
I am joking. What happened?
Where?
With
Izibusiso.
Who's that?
yo.
The condo.
Remind me.
Kupai drama if there was any drama.
No, there was no remind.
We are always here for drama.
Guys in the Mdala, you need to remind me.
Okay.
She said she has a 26-year-old.
I'm done.
Is that a daughter?
That is.
Yeah, the daughter.
Okay, so Carwash weekends grand opening at the zone, meaning at Lindo's lounge. Is the Busiso Solutions present?
Oh, that. Life happened. Life happened.
You called off. Did you
I can explain.
Okay.
I can explain.
Life
happened.
Okay.
Okay. In Zibusiso, when I started the Carwash weekend thing, I started with my friend.
Who's your friend?
The friend shall remain nameless.
Hey, the friend must just remain unnameless.
Okay.
And I don't have money. I started the Carwash weekend thingy with my friend, ne?
Yes.
And under Carwash weekends was under Izibusiso. Yeah, we wanted to register that company because we had ideas and ideas and ideas. As of what we wanted to do. We wanted to manage pages Zabantu, your upcoming celebrities as a local that don't know how to do it. We wanted to help them as creatively profiles as marketable out there.
Okay.
And they would pay us, of course.
Yes.
And we wanted to do a lot of communication stuff under Izibusiso. But life happened. And so...
And life happened.
And life happened.
And so life happened.
So, but life fake.
It's fine, man. It's fine.
It's okay.
I just wanted to check. I just wanted to check. Yeah.
Still.
But what happened, guys?
Because it went dark after that.
It went dark after that. Remember, the zone yavala, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, Pakama either zone same twagas. Ne?
Isn't it the fourth time
What's happening?
No comment.
Yeah, no comment. Hey, can't comment.
So, I was approached by owner Yomtwagazi.
Yeah.
Uba Mandi Zovuli Carwash with my partner, and she had moved on to other things.
Okay.
Greener pastures.
Greener pastures and something that she was passionate about, Engiyoli.
Okay.
So that's how Izibusiso kind of faded.
Yeah.
And so I had to move solo. Yeah.
So, how do you balance your multiple business ventures and commitments to your personal life? Being a mama, ka baby, and let's go like
Shaluminat.
yeah, mama ka hlalo. No blakey. How do you balance all of that and still be the rocket we see like on social media?
Very hard. Trust me. Nina bangena bantwana bancinci. When we say do not have kids, do not have kids. Wait. Kunzima kona. Trying to make it out there and have a purpose in life for what you're doing. At the same time, ube ngumama ukhoyo. Be a present parent, and I have to cook for ubleki weekends. Amanqina nenhloko.
Okay, how much must ubleki?
Yes, Saturday is a treat day for ubleki.
Eating partner. Blakey?
Yes, Saturdays are a treat day, so sibheka amanqina nenhloko. Yeah. Kunzima kona, but and then there's my field work, which but Red Bull is my life. Ningazeniyisele is adjective.
Red
Bull is my life. That's even worse.
I'm addicted. Like,
okay, let me not judge you.
Yeah.
Ayikho balance, because I have noticed that I have missed out on so much of my life. It's even worse uhlala idimbaza akukho life. Funeka uye pha ezindaweni that I'm not going to mention.
Yeah, pie chemist.
Yes.
Pie chemist.
Yes. So I have missed out on, for the past 10 years, I have missed out on my life. I have noticed, and in Ndiyaguga, and I have done zilch.
And you can't go to a chemist because
time
you
wasted.
Expo. Yo.
And then I figure no mama we chomi gabi. Umntana umchomi. Izandikake besipha. But we try.
Yes.
I try my level best to balance izinto. I don't know how I do it, but I do. But I have missed out on izinto ezibalulekileyo, izinto zezihlobo zam that are so dear to me. For instance, usisi Nongo wayencedisa pha eCareer Expo, who was helping me write letters. Khange ndiye kwi-weekend getaway yakhe because I was working this weekend. And it's a 40th. And undiqumbele, guys, help me buy her a Bible. That's the only gift that I can think
700.
of.
Take a lot.
Ibalwe. I think that would be special.
If net florist, I buy customized, but I copy and sleep as an gown.
Thank you. Wabona wena.
High class club.
Yeah, so
Jxck.
I can't be perfect.
Yeah.
But you try your best. I don't know how I do it, but I do it. But somehow.
Yeah, and I like the fact that you don't glamorize it and say, no, it's all the hard work of this and this and that. And yeah, being at you perfect.
Yeah.
It's hard work.
It's hard work.
I still have not made money, but it's still hard work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Talk about making money.
You're not topic.
So I do believe you're a community builder.
Yeah.
Now, for someone who doesn't know what's a community builder, can you please give us characteristics of a community builder? In case you didn't attend the Windows and community builder.
And Namdi has classified as a community builder.
Young Ton.
No.
Oh,
You
yeah.
don't meet the certain criteria. It's being at university.
Ndisaqala ke mna ke.
Yes.
Initial stages.
Yeah.
Peasants.
Like there
There are people who have
Yeah.
abasacela kubo thina.
Yes.
Yes. So passion. You have to have passion for your community. So that's why you must bring something that is going to help build
The community.
Hence, you're a community builder. Yes, your passion. You must be passionate. It is very tiring, but you must have willpower and self-drive. Yeah, man. Because if you're not the force behind yourself, abanye bazabe force njani behind you. So you must be self-driven. Yonke lanto bayibuzayo ku-interviews. You must have it.
Yeah.
Motivation.
You must be motivated to do the yonke lanto. But tupili. People first.
Be patient also.
And be patient because hey, it
People.
needs patience. Lento yabantu. Inzima into yabantu.
Working with people.
Yeah, inzima. So you must be very, 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 very patient.
Is it not?
It's patience.
Oh, umonde.
Umonde, patience. And yes, you must have humility. Funeka ube nobuntu and you must be humble. Fikeleleka ebantwini. Because uzawubabuilda njani abantu bokuhlala bakho if awukho accessible kubo, awukho humble. Yabona. Noba sowungafuna uncuma uqombe andifrats. But xa kukhwaza ukuthi thina umgoweni na. Ubuqamba ndiyasweleka but hi right yabo. I did a workshop, invited people. That was in July, ne?
Yeah.
But I still get inboxes about the bafuna ndibancede. It's what now? Mid-September. I'm like, where were you? Hayibo sidlulile lapho thina ngoku. We are on to the next one. But I have to be humble enough to say, hi man.
Yeah.
Sidlulile kulento uyaqonda. But what I can advise, ye library yo apply, bacele bakulogise online because ngoku
Last time I checked,
ndibe ngaphakathi ndiqonda andisakubaweli. Because amameli sixelela.
Sasiyile pha
ubuphi wena. Yeah, so
Okay. So, do you have like any questions on this side? Ingxaki yabona apha the Indians ekayo bangathi ndityela abantu into yothetha.
Hayi thetha
Because ndiyafana nawo ndiyathanda uthetha.
Oh.
And ndiyathanda uthetha. I have like lots of questions.
Radio gogo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I do believe September. I do believe September is a heritage month. Heritage, okay, it's who we are.
Yes.
Now I want you to take us to a point whereby you felt like a good team. I miss the olden days of Itimbaza. Yes. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
In case girls are
Please.
yo, dinga 15 years alone.
Everyone has Zalani at this point.
Ndingumamvulana, ndingumsuthukazi, ndingukhetshe, ndingubhayi. Ndiyinyoka emnyama ecanda zizipha. Ndingumamtyotana, ndingugubhusi, ndingumkwena, ndingumsuthukazi. Ndizalwa ngumamkwayi. Ngumancondi, ngutuku. Ozalwa ngumamsukweni. Utata uzalwa ngumamcirha.
Yeah.
I don't think siyazalana.
Ne?
Khandisdibansayo. Back in the days zaseDimbaza.
What is
that?
Okay, what comes into your mind?
Yeah.
We have always been abantu begroove yaseDimbaza.
Always.
We had street bashes up at hotel. But at the time it was safe. I would walk from Tembisa to a hotel and back. Ndingakhange nditatshwe ngumuntu. But ngoku andinokwazi nozapha kokweni ngokungenyawo.
Uzojika kona ko 18.
Ewe. iDimbaza yilokishi ne. Asina heritage ingako. But what I dream for Dimbaza is a crime-free Dimbaza, crime drug-free Dimbaza. That back in the day, bekungekho buphara, bekungekho drugs, abantu bebephangela, like siwalk siyezifemini kwakayo, siyothenga lento, intoni lento, inyimfi. Amazinyimfi? Amazinyimfi jo?
Are you chewing tobacco?
Onyimfi chocolate.
Oh no, sorry, nazi bullseye.
Oh,
no mamchawe.
No mamchawe. Kokhona leke sesingomangazana ke.
Namangazana.
Why girls? All right.
Yeah, there was.
So a crime drug-free Dimbaza, where we respected abantu abadala.
Yeah. Yes, usando complain about akukhombe abantwaneni bethu like abantwana bethu abantwana abangangathi. And even I don't know what I was talking about. What I wish for Nina Bianca is that you would just have intloni bantwana bam. Aninazi intloni. To the fact that mhlambe mina ndiya understand kuba undimncinci, you don't think I'm that old. Like she's petite. Yabo. So I don't think abantu bayambona ba eyoshem umuntu omdala usasa wakhe yini
negazi lihle.
Yeah. So uthi I just wish ba ningahlonipha naba makhulu becawa nibaziyo like apha estratweni sinabo mama baziyo njengoba umama bomthandazo apha. Uthi nina niyakwazi ukuthi qhe a whole
bottle of savannah
like this ningene emizini yabantu iphethe. Laqona yo umakhulu wami used to like go crazy kwa uphethe can like ebesanoshouta ephezulu phethe monster. She thought it was alcohol and I was like no, monster. But oh hayi besenza kudla qona oh shame asinambeko.
So that's what I wish for itimbaza. Look, klanta ithetha umakhulu mna in Pretoria I would not do into ebheke ecaleni estratweni. Like the caring of the alcohol. And kwazi umuntu omdala ngumuntu omdala umzali wakho
noba ngubani na.
Ewe. So ezinye izinto you respect abantu abadala. Apha ngoku uzodibana naye enxiba uniform egonene nomuntu wakhe.
Yo. Andifuna ngathi ngikuphinda zabantu.
Abanambeko ke. Yeah. So that's what I wish for itimbazi.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I guys sanothenga utshwala at this point. But the way that you guys feel proud about, okay, no, I have a whole 6-pack of Savannah. Like, carry a bag. Nathi like, mhlambe nathi xa siyothenga, mhlambe loo nto chemist. Nathi bag. Like, Jxck ba molweni bantu abadala. Because like, mhlambe ndizawubona la makhulu umama omthandazo nyani shem ndibe ndibuya mne chemist asathi ndithi qhewe isavana olo hlobo okanye ibhiya olo hlobo uzawuthi hayibo umntana kasisilinda sewaba njena ngoku uyabona into ezinjeya. I don't want umuntu omdala ecinga into ezinjalo
ube ungakanga uyifundisa kokweni,
you know. So Mr. Jxck,
yeah, so,
sorry.
Okay, welcome back.
we ask the questions and then we take it away.
As always,
It's fine.
as always.
Okay, but I have a game.
Oh,
I have a game. It flip the lens.
flip the what?
The lens.
Oh, the lens, like a lens.
Yeah.
Let's bona
Yes. So technically, I as a host, I'll give you guys a common belief. Since in wanna go to umnapa situation, it's fine. But I'll give you a common belief. You have to decide the opposite perspective.
Okay.
So even if you don't agree.
What?
Even if you don't agree, you have to give me the opposite perspective.
Okay.
Even if you don't agree.
Can you make an example of the game?
Look, I will give you a word, ne? A common belief, and then I pick is I'll go to no man. I'll give you the failure is bad, and then you guys will argue about why failure is good.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay.
So we start. So technically, I'm still calling a failure because I feel like you can.
Send for us for piggies. Yes, cheese.
Yeah, what you come and come.
Yes.
So okay, failure is bad. So please argue why failure is good.
Yeah.
Failure is good because if I will fail, then you will not be motivated to try again and push harder and appreciate what you have because you worked hard and failed at it. And so unalando it. In fact, and this is going to
Okay.
No, say.
Say pen, okay.
Say pen.
So money buys happiness. Argue why it doesn't.
Bonake. Yeah, bonake.
The floor is yours.
Because imali take happiness imali or
Sissy, even if you don't agree.
But yeah, I know. In terms of like monetary value, imali, it does not buy happiness because xa unemali unayo yonke into like inemali wena wedwa, where are your friends? Where is the companionship? Where is love? Where is kindness? Where is community? You know. So yeah, money doesn't buy happiness. But
does it buy peace?
Yeah, honestly.
No, I disagree.
Why?
Resorted to buying a mali.
No, but inner peace. Peace wena.
Sorry.
Okay, moving forward. Everything happens for a reason. Please argue why sometimes it doesn't.
Yo.
Sana, why do you want us to flip kangaka?
Because really everything happens for a reason.
No, but we agree with you on this one. But I will not be flipping. You can do that for us.
I can't flip it. Because everything happens for a reason. If the bottle was meant to fall, it will fall. I can't say
the keywords.
It's the gravity.
Listen to keywords. Even if you do not agree.
Oh shit.
Please flip the coin. You're the lens.
Oh my god.
Kayithatha Bianca omncinci apha oclever son. Kayitsho. Maybe ngathi ubuza question
Interview.
ku Miss Ntontoni.
Oh my goodness.
Miss South Africa. Yes.
No. Steve Harvey as a booty at the name naganti kumine with Miss USA. Yo. Show me. Everything does not happen for a reason.
Why? Yeah.
Based on the fact that okay, like it needs a serious a scenario.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can give me a scenario.
Say Uzimvo. Say Landenzeke Uzimvo. That car accident thingy. That did not happen for a reason. That was intentional. Uzimvo was not meant to be hit by a car. Because the person saw Uzimvo, like I could just swerve and then Nakona, he was in the wrong because Uzimvo is abiding by the law of the road.
Yeah.
But being that people are monsters sometimes. Okanye umntu just does not like you or ne vendetta or agenda against you. Uzayenza lonto ba mayenzeke even though it's not meant to happen.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying it does not happen for a reason.
I tried, but
I did try.
Yeah,
but it was intentional, Jenna.
Sorry, big well, I like them.
But then show me, I tried. But Jenna.
You tried, but
I tried.
It happens for a reason.
It does not happen for a reason.
That's what matters. You tried.
Show me Wangpoa. I so wish you didn't go in a game. I just wish.
It's fine, man. At least you tried.
Ow.
Okay. Otherwise, that's it for my game.
Okay.
So, do you have like any significant other?
Hey! Kosiam!
In order, what the viewers is it?
DMs. Because I remember asking Pablo and Viewer and everyone else who came here by
I am not married.
And the Balikle.
Ndimile up.
So
you can try.
Ungazama.
You might be the lucky one.
Single.
No, ring, guys. It's on my middle finger. I can't do up. Yes, and the chatanga.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shambi, you might be that.
The lucky one.
Hey, are you up? Hey, stranger.
Don't do that.
Be intentional with your proposal. But hey, I would like you take it. Don't.
Yeah. To the point. To the point. Money, very important. To the point.
Be ready to get dated. You know?
What
do you mean? Because money.
Money because
legend
show me uzoshela hey, hi stranger.
If date will need man.
Yes.
And then petrol.
Petrol. Ilokwe. Hairstyle.
I would luckily for you and come no camera.
Do you need me to pull up with a glowing skin? Funeka nithenge body oil kaloku ukuze umzimba ube mhle, ube radiant
it needs money nje.
You know, it's our fingers never mature.
Hotmans, you can cancel.
Bouquet.
It's okay if you cancel.
A bouquet.
Your loss.
But I'm still going.
But yes. Guess one last question. I think it's the second last. And mentioning another bozo molo.
I did.
So, what would you like abantu bakwazi?
It's the last question.
Sorry. Okay, before that question again.
Okay.
Right the question ndibuza. Ukuthi and you've achieved everything. You parking. Butemo so useke minors.
Entry level.
Entry level. Also parking with the level.
Cream of the crop.
So, what would you like abantu bakwazi? Bangakwazi kantoni abantu?
No, I think you're put on
Mbuza.
Sisi xa sowuphumelele ufuna abantu bangothuki ba okay, this is you. Like mhlambe wenza izinto xa unayo into ebifunayo. Abantu bangothuki xa uact a certain way.
I do not want to act a certain way.
No, kaloku money changes, you know. What if you buy something?
That's what I thought you were going to ask again. And I was ready with an answer that may I never forget where I come from.
Yeah.
That's one thing that I always strive for. May I never forget where I come from. Because the minute I forget, I believe everything will just come crumbling down. Karma will just... Yes. I want to make it, and I want to make it ndipumelele, because if I make it, then Abba ndifuna ukubenzela, they will also make it. It will be easy for me to do things for them. It will be easy for me to help abantu, because into eyokunceda abantu, it will involve imali. So it will make it easy for me bandinceda abantu. And I seriously pray that I may never forget where I come from. Yes.
Mr. Jxck.
Last question.
Last question. Last question.
Did I answer?
Yes, you did answer.
Can
you the speechless because and the ass? I feel like it's powerful.
You feel like
okay, I'm good, Goku.
Okay,
I'm good.
So we feel like all our trouble now about with the Jxck.
I never forget where I come from.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, my last question: who would you like to see on our podcast next?
I wanted to see myself because kudala ndisibuza uba kanti kutheni bengandibiza abantwana. Kanti why? Nina abanye babizwa. Kutheni abantwana bengathi bandibize?
I've been recommending. Guys, this is where Expo.
I'm like, I expected to be here last month because Women's Month. I'm like, they're still not calling me.
I've been putting you on a good word.
Everything happens for
a reason.
I do.
Okay.
That's leckish.
I'm done.
Time.
Look, I like what you guys are doing. Because Nenza, you are showing people that hey, bakhona, kabalapha. I love it. So whoever is gonna come next, yes.
Okay.
But right. So I like the fact that you are exposing. In fact, you are showing people that yes, because a podcast, once you put it there, it's reachable. It's there for the world to see. So they will know.
Hore,
Timbaza. Listen.
Has some precious diamonds, please. Because it's the point that we have to differentiate. We have to we make it like an awareness by abandoning. But there's people like this, guys. We educate, we uplift, we entertain, we a lot. So xa kuthiwa itimbaza, I say I groove, no. So no system, no, it's not good power.
Yes.
It's not good feeling. We have this and that.
Guys,
make community builders also.
Exactly.
We have abantwana banje. You know? Kumandi xa abantu besibona sisenzile.
Exactly. Maybe have umntana esikolo.
Yeah, we did. We did have.
You did?
Did we not have umntana esikolo? Show me, we missed the whole opportunity to have umntana esikolo.
Abesinayo umntana esikolo or author.
Yes. She's doing grade 10, 11.
You also had Miss Ntonton.
Miss finalist, Miss King William Star
yes.
finalist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, abantwana bayaqhuba
abantwana busy. No, Miranda is also.
Yeah,
She's
Wasa
like-
West Bank.
Wasa West Bank, choreographer, model, don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll surprise me, and I will be pleasantly surprised
Yeah.
next time.
Don't worry. Otherwise, that's it for our episode. Thank you so much for
Joining
coming,
us.
For joining us.
And if you know Bakanya and if you know
Okay. It's fine.
I really thought you're going to ask me about my grade 12 workshop. You guys missed asking me anything about that. But
Okay.
that's fine.
Not there.
You were not there. We're not Jxck was
Yeah,
not.
no, yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. We also hosted a grade 12 workshop. Ndabiza ubanana.
Yes.
Because it was his idea, but Wandipa.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I flew with it.
Okay.
Wandipa. Sabiza uputika, be bright in the corner, whether you are on land, on air,
Yeah.
emanzini,
Yeah.
ufusimba.
Yes.
Yes. And so we also helped abantwana benzo grade 12 apply for varsity in colleges. Bakwazi ungena esikoleni next year because time wasted never returns. So the sooner you start doing izinto, unga procrastinate, the better for you. Ungabe usitsha ngamalanga umilavdale go January. Lishushu ilanga lika January. Uzazi wena uba by next year sorted and uapply kwindawo ezininzi like nje une variety. So that is why we applied and uvosike wabenzela islide pa esibonisa iba this is how you apply, this is where you apply, these are free institutions, apply free payana i-residence nazi courses khona. Hey, ininzi into that is out there esingayaziyo thina sicinga vamba kukho nje u-teaching nogqirha kanti they are different doctors. Bianca abaninzi finance yona qala inento yayo eninzi esingayaziyo. There's nje if you unpack it
it's a lot.
So that's what we did Payan, because we wanted kids to see in Duban there is so much more that is out there. There's aviation, there's maritime, there's engineering. So ibulale apply. That's why we did the grade 12 workshop. Yes, to help them apply. Sabancedisa ke no apply. Because we want kids at school. We want kids to be something esingazange sayicinga. Ndifuna kubekho ipilot mina phethemba. Singame kan bookhshela ticket siflyiswe nguye. Ayosibeka. Yabona? Yeah, so we also did that. Now yes, Bapov, the idea of the expo when I had it dala, Pablo was part of it. But he was too busy and wayesebenza better with, so he didn't have time. We have a chef near London. Apako time.
Yes.
Belinda Mbondwana uphayela kwaCheckers. Yes, Belinda was also part of that, but because of work, wayengekho available. Yeah. So, yes, mna ndiyavuyani ndibizile guys. Enkosi kakhulu ba.
Bolela thina.
Also adding on the fact of education, Mr. the London Minister of London, higher London.
Obhuti maname.
Tatu Matapel. Uvulile applications guys for 2026 college. And apply. And candidate. Ditethile and format their gatekeeper. And Zaz is open but zonke zivuliwe 2026 sivalwa nge-15 November. Dango.
Yes, Dr. Ziyanda Mpetile also shared on her Facebook. I think I shared on Timbaza News what she was writing. There's places, institutions ezivulileyo. I shared. I also shared nam before the workshop but says or apply kuzo for free.
Guys,
balekile
imfundo guys.
Please go to school.
Naleni into siyenzayo bakhona abayifundelayo.
Stop doing drugs.
Please.
Guys, alcohol will be here forever.
Abuboli.
There's a time for everything.
Abuboli. Thank you very much. But guys, thank you so
Thank you
for being here.
Yeah.
For gracing us with your presence.
I hope I did well.
Why? You are the most vibrant guest. Now,
let's see who takes my cup.
The most vibrant. Overwhelmingly Jxck because it was always trying to be prim and proper in terms of Tina. Well, ngafuna uqhubekela Tina kanti we don't mind, you know.
I hope andinigqumelelanga kodwa. I
But
hope
like-
usesa
but
vibe.
it was
Here and there.
Shame.
We're right, my G.
Is that right?
It's fine. It's fine. But
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you to our sponsors, Baza Photography, Nature Plan Water, Forum House, Kaya Kulu, Privilege Lifestyle, Mxotwa
thank you.
Residence, Istebe Senjoli, and more. I think I keep forgetting these sponsors. But siyabulela no ndinilibele guys. Siyabulela kakhulu ngento nitenzela yona. You guys need, like, your support means the world to us, and yeah, we couldn't be here without you guys. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to you, Mr. Jxck, for holding it down as always. Thank you, Mr. Producer back there. Thank you for doing your job. Thank you to Sisi Dinewo for joining us again. And it's Miss B, guys. As always, on Fumana Up every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more episodes to come. And yeah, from us, the Culture Convo Podcast, we say pray,
believe, and live.
See you next Wednesday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
I hope again the